Hola chicas, hoy vamos a aprender reflexive verbs. So, for unit, we have these verbs that we're gonna learn the vocabulary first and then how to work with them, okay? So here's our vocabulary for chapter 1, reflexive verbs. So what are reflexive verbs? Most of these verbs are related to actions on your daily routine. It refers to actions like to shower, to get up, to go to sleep, to get dressed. Yeah, that kind of routine. But what exactly is a reflexive verb? So reflexive verbs are verbs that in their not conjugated form, they end in se, se. Por ejemplo, ducharse, to shower oneself, or levantarse, to get up. So if you look at the word duchar, and it's in AR, it's a not conjugated verb, and then adds se. The se means that you do it to yourself, right? If you were showering your doll, you won't say ducharse. It would not have the se because it's not being done to oneself. Okay, so let's look at this is the time when I'm gonna ask you to have a pencil and a paper and take notes on the vocabulary. Pay attention as the video will have some questions for you as we go. Okay. Okay. Oh, now we're gonna have to move this. Okay. We have acostarse, to go to bed. Acostarse. ¿Sí? Acostarse. Tenemos afeitarse, to shave oneself. Afeitarse, to shave oneself. Bañarse, bañarse, to take a bath. Take a bath. Cepillarse los dientes. Cepillarse itself means to brush oneself, and cepillarse los dientes clarifies that you are brushing your teeth, because you could brush your hair, but cepillarse los dientes is to brush your teeth. Okay, despertarse. So be careful here because we had levantarse and despertarse. Despertarse means to wake up. To wake up. Okay. Dormirse. Dormirse. To fall asleep. Again, the first verb, if you go look in your list, the first verb was acostarse, to go to bed. Dormirse is to fall asleep. Dormirse, to fall asleep. Ducharse. So far we have two verbs for showering or bathing. Ducharse, to take a shower, and bañarse, to bathe oneself. Okay? Then we have lavarse. Lavarse is to wash oneself. And pay close attention because you have lavarse la cara, to wash one's face. You are doing it to yourself. You're washing your own face. So that's why it's lavarse. If you're washing the dishes or washing a car, then it doesn't have this say you see here, because the car or the dishes are not part of yourself. See? So that say means that it's done to your body, what means you. Lavarse la cara. Levantarse, remember I mentioned despertarse, to get up. Despertarse, to wake up. Levantarse, to get up. See? Levantarse, to get up. And then we have maquillarse. Maquillarse, to put on makeup. See? Maquillarse. Maquillarse. Peinarse. Peinarse, to comb one's hair. To comb one's hair. Peinarse. Peinarse. Él se peina. Ponerse, to put on. So one of the ways you can use ponerse is to put on clothes. Ponerse la ropa. Ponerse la ropa. See? To put on clothes. Or to get dressed. Secarse. To dry oneself. So after you shower, after ducharse, you can secarse. Secarse el pelo. Secarse el pelo. So this one is more specific, to dry one's hair. I could say secarse el cuerpo. Secarse el cuerpo. ¿Cómo se dice cuerpo? Body. Y secarse el cuerpo. To dry one's body. Muy bien. Vestirse, which is similar to ponerse la ropa. Vestirse, to get dressed. Vestirse, to get dressed. The difference between vestirse and ponerse la ropa is that you can match ponerse with other words. See? Ponerse las gafas, to put one's glasses. Right? And vestirse only talks about getting dressed. Okay, so instruments that we can use to complete these activities. El cepillo, brush, and it's very tied to the action. Cepillo, cepillarse. Cepillo, brush, cepillarse, to brush oneself. El cepillo de dientes, to brush, toothbrush. Cepillarse los dientes, to brush one's teeth. So they're very tied to the action that they fulfill. Here's one that it's not really tied to their action they fulfill. El champú. Yeah, it's very similar to English, but be careful because spelling counts. So not shampoo, but champú with a tilde. Okay, el champú. El jabón, soap, el jabón. El jabón. La pasta de dientes, la pasta de dientes. Toothpaste. El peine, comb. And again, this one is tied to the action it fulfills. El peine, comb, peinarse, to comb one's hair. Peine, peinarse. El secador de pelo, el secador de pelo. Hair dryer. Secarse el pelo. That's the action it fulfills. Okay. Y la toalla. Okay. Now I'm going to show you some of these objects and I'm going to stop there and I'm going to hope that you can give me, looking at your vocabulary, an action they're tied to. Okay. So, el secador de pelo. La pasta de dientes. El champú, el champú. El cepillo de dientes, el cepillo de dientes. El cepillo, el cepillo. A ver, one more, una más. La toalla, la toalla. Okay, chicas. Now, after this video, I'm going to ask you to go to the link for Quizlet and practice this vocabulary. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions and we can work on it. Next time we meet, we're going to be working on how to conjugate these verbs. Adios. Feliz día.